Peter Obi came a distant third. Peter Obi did not win the election.
He did not win the election, but INEC they hide election material. He did not win the election. Up till now, INEC is still uploading results. He did not win the election, but any small thing, una go begin get head. Any small appearance Obi makes, he go begin bother una. He did not win the election, and all of una, both Adamu Gaba, Festus Keyamo, are all telling him to withdraw the case from the law court, to withdraw his petition against Jagaban. He did not win the election, and you people entered inside Labour Party and started scattering everywhere, to the extent that the Labour Party national chairman, when they say na him be the right national chairman, the first thing wey him talk as him become the national chairman na make Obi withdraw the petition against Jagaban. Can you imagine? Okay, on a normal day, national chairman go say make presidential candidate withdraw petition. To be president, if they have a president of the country, you know they sweet am. So where are all these things coming from? And Obi dey talk says the person, the national chairman said, say never see am before. You know am. He did not win the election. Any day Obi make speech, una say make they catch am, make they buy am. Na just question wey answer for television. The way you dey answer your own question, na problem. He did not win the election. Anyway Obi enter, almost half everybody go dey shout Obi Obi, and una no want am. Una no want am. Which crossing the line? When you go dey talk wetin person no do, you say make him no talk. He has not said anything for how many months? The only time he has decided to come and talk is bothering you people. Please make una listen to this man. Make una listen to this man and tell me your opinion. What do you think? Is Peter Obi truly crossing the line based on this interview granted 2 days ago? That he answered the question of treason, about arrest. The arrest they say they did to him, about having dual citizenship. He tried to explain himself as a candidate in the election. I don't know how, if Peter Obi cough, na problem for now. Ha!
I think Mr. Obi thinks that this is all about him, but it's not. You know, he thinks that people in the APC, and for that matter, in all of the nook and cranny of our political life, are all looking for him or looking about him to find something. That's not the case. People have moved on. For us in the APC, we had an election. The election has been long concluded. Campaigns are over. Political candidacy, candidacy for parties, it's long gone. It's closed. We've moved on. We have a president-elect who, hopefully, in a few days, will be inaugurated in accordance with our constitution. So I think that, Mr. Obi, personally, all of this period, I've hesitated really to really take issues with him directly. But I think that he's really crossing the line. Campaigns are over. He needs to just take a cheap pill and rest it. He has a case before the tribunal. He needs to allow his lawyers do their job now. Coming on the show to suggest that everybody in this country in APC are simply, even referred to his private life, people maybe going to look for some babies that he may have had. That's ridiculous. This is about the presidency of this country. This is serious matter. Peter Obi has been way too sanctimonious, I think, for someone who really voluntarily got involved in the political process and offered himself to compete for presidency. What did you expect? It's, a serious business. People say it's even a mucky business, but it is something of a serious business to produce the presidency of a country, any country. There's no country in the world where the competition for presidency is a walk in the park. It's heavy duty, engagement. Sometimes even, I don't want to use the words that were on TV, but people take this to the extreme sometimes. But I think that we've had this. Peter Obi did not win the election. The majority of people in this country voted either for the PDP or for the APC that won the election. Peter Obi came a distant third in the race. So this whole idea that he is the one who won the election that was taken from him Where does that come from? He didn't even come second. If he's claiming, to be the next in line from a third position, that's absolutely ridiculous. So I think he needs to just rest it. And I think he's made a political capital of really exploiting people's vulnerabilities.